What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am the Broke Petrol, and today I'm back at Oswald Street again for a different type of video. Today we are doing a drive out. We are doing a 3.5 hour drive out into Wales. I've never done it before, so it should be interesting. There's a few cars that have turned up. We're just waiting for possibly a few more. It's just 9:10. We should have left by 9 o'clock, but I got here a little bit late, got delayed by traffic. So yeah, it should be a good day out. It should be very interesting. We've got to go to a few places. I'll put up on the screen the route that we're going to take. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So guys, if you are new around here, please really do help a brother out. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, and watch all the videos all the way to the end, because it really helps me out. The milestone that I'm trying to hit right now is 4,000 hours of watch public content, and I need your help. So I'm on about 1,000 hours, just under 1,000 hours, so I need about 3,000 hours to join the YouTuber program, partner program. So if you'd like to support the channel and help me grow just a little bit more, subscribe and watch the video all the way to the end, spider. And yeah, that'll be absolutely amazing. Right, let's go ahead and get this drive on, because I'm looking forward to this, because we're going to go on some amazing driving roads. Right, let's go. So what's going on, guys? We made it to the first spot in Bala. It's just beside the lake, and it is absolutely stunning, and it was a hell of a drive. I got stuck behind loads and loads of traffic, moving slow, so the convoy that I was in, I was pretty much always at the back, and some of the roads were really demanding. When I was hitting the brakes, at one point my brakes just decided they didn't want to work. They were I got some serious brake fade, so I had to slow right the way down and let the brakes cool down before I could start getting on it again a little bit. So yeah, that was unexpected. So next time if I do a drive out again, look at a higher temp brakes and brake fluid, because yeah, that was not fun. At one point I was going like down a dip. I was on the road and it was kind of going down a dip, and I hit the brakes and yeah, barely anything. Luckily I was on the brakes quite hard, and I used the engine braking down to second gear, and yeah, let the engine bring us to quite a slower pace. Otherwise that could have been treacherous. And I mean, some of the roads were absolutely amazing. Some of the landscape was just like deep valleys. I mean, there was one road we was driving on. I'm ashamed that I didn't have the camera on the front of the car, which I'm going to set up now. I mean, if you went over the side, you got enough time to call your loved ones and say goodbye, see you next time, because we ain't seeing you again. Anyway, I'm going to get some footage of this area and then set up the rest of the cameras for the drive. So I'll see you in a bit. So this is our first stop in Bala. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that name. Yeah, so it's got that beautiful lake that you just saw over there, and yeah, it's a nice place. So we have just pulled up. So we're out here in Fairbourne, and the weather is a little bit wet and dreary, but yeah, not overall not too bad. And off goes the cameraman. I wish the photographer. I should be heading out with him actually to the next location. But yeah, it's been a nice drive. The weather's been a bit iffy. Every now and again it'll start raining, then it'll stop, and then it'll start again, then it'll stop, and then it'll be really heavy, and then it'll stop. So yeah, it's been a bit, but altogether it's been an awesome drive so far, and we're on to the next location. So see you in a bit. I had some drone footage of this exact area about 3 minutes ago, and there was no clouds whatsoever. I even got the drone up there is a big mountain hill type thing, and now with this mist that rolled in, you can't even see it. In the drone footage, you'll see just how high I go. I actually peak at 393 meters, 400 feet before I get to the top of it. So that's how far that is up there. But can't even see that now. And waiting for some cars to come down here, and as you can see, it's really foggy. I can't even tell when they're turning off. Yep, that is one of our cars. There they go, that's all our boys and girls. And that's the last one. So guys, I think it's safe to say that was absolutely amazing. That was an insane driving day. I absolutely enjoyed it. I love taking pictures. The weather was a bit iffy. Sometimes it was cold, sometimes it was raining, sometimes it wasn't. At that last high peak area, it was it was interesting. The mist came in thick and fast. I mean, when I got there was no mist. You probably saw on the drone footage, I got the drone up to about 400 feet and it was clear, and then within 4 minutes it covered over. So yeah, that was pretty interesting. Got some nice footage, got some nice shots. If you have enjoyed the video, please do go ahead and subscribe, because my analytics says about 95% of you that watch are not subscribed, and it really does help the channel. Every time you subscribe, like, comment and all that stuff, all the engagement is good. It helps the channel. I would love to get to 4,000 hours of watch content this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you want to support the channel just a little bit further, from subscribing, watch old content, or previous content, not necessarily old content, but previous content, because that always helps. Comment as well, because that always helps. All engagement, it tells YouTube to push the channel to more people. And speaking of YouTube, YouTube will recommend this video here if you want to watch another one of my videos just for you personally. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.